Ley Street Ilford to Griggs Approach to follow the sign of barking. Turn right and take the second exit. This is a part of the Barking driving test route from Ley Street towards Barking. The candidate committed a serious fault while changing the lane. Lane changed from the right to the left lane without or late checking the left mirror. Must check the mirrors well before changing lanes and take time to make sure that all is safe around you. Whenever you're turning or approaching a junction or changing lanes, you must remember this routine. MSPSL. M stands for mirrors. Check what's around you. S stands for signal. Let other road users know what you're doing. P stands for position. Move your car into the correct place on the road. S stands for speed. Slow down smoothly and in good time. And L stands for look. Ensure the junction or the road ahead is clear before proceeding. Use MSPSL every time. Your examiner will notice. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share if you think that this clip is helpful to pass your test.